All right, YouTube subscribers. My name is Ray Sean, known as Ray News on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 52-inch polished brass Hampton-based St. Clarington ceiling fan. Now, St. Clarington is the nickname that I got from Jack Williamson because due to the fact that Jack Williamson made a video of his Hampton-based St. Clair ceiling fan with the blade set that came off of his Hampton-based Huntington ceiling fan. So that's why he called his Hampton-based St. Clair the St. Clarington. Now, the reason why I'm calling this fan the Hampton-based St. Clarington because the blade set that you see on this fan came off of a 52-inch polished brass Hampton-based Huntington 3 ceiling fan that I got from the Habitat Restore last Saturday. But not the one that's in the dining room, not this ceiling fan, but it's another one that I got and I'm using for parts. So this ceiling fan right here, as I'm showing you right here, it's a Hampton-based St. Clair ceiling fan. And I'm just showing you guys what this fan look like with the sourdough pretzel blade brackets that a Hampton-based Huntington 2 and the Huntington 3 uses, and the quick connect blades. And I got the rosewood side of the blades facing down on this fan, as I like polished brass ceiling fans better with the rosewood blades. So I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with the light. So here's what it looks like with the... Excuse me, sorry, I just got interrupted from a phone call. So here's what it looks like with the light off. And here's what it looks like with the light on. So I'm about to go on and demonstrate it, starting off with low. Hold on, you guys. So this what this fan look like running on low speed. And then as you can see that one of the blade brackets are bent downward on this fan here. But I really don't like this combination on this fan. Not like that. I thought I was actually gonna like it. So this what it looks like running on low speed. Then I'm about to go on and put it on medium. And this ceiling fan wobbles more with the Huntington 3 ceiling fan blade set than it does with the blade set that I had on this fan. So this ceiling fan is not going to stay permanent. But this fan is blowing a lot of air right here. And it's just about blowing the same amount of air. It's just about blowing the same amount of air as it blows with the blade set that I originally had on this fan. So this is medium right here. I'm about to go and put it on high speed. So this is what it looks like running on high speed. But it's really not a whole lot I have to say about this thing. Then I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. Hold on, you guys. So I'm about to go on and stop the blaze right here. So other than that, I'm about to go on and get off this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I am out.